So you've planned the perfect trip, but then the stress starts to come in. You're thinking, did I pack everything? How am I gonna keep the kids entertained at the airport? Or did I plan the perfect itinerary? Or am I missing something that's so unique that I'm gonna regret it if we don't do it? Well, stop stressing, because in this video, we've got 3 game-changing ChatGPT travel hacks that are gonna help make your trip stress-free, make sure that you don't miss anything, and could even save you a couple dollars. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this week's video where we got 3 genius ChatGPT prompts coming your way. Cue the intro.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So the first ChatGPT prompt that we're gonna go over is how to make customizable packing lists. So based on the prompts that we're gonna leave down in our YouTube descriptions, you're just gonna be able to copy and paste and just edit the specifics, but the specifics is where the magic happens. So in this prompt, you're gonna wanna make sure you put the location and where you're going, the time of year in which you're going to, a couple information about what activities you're planning on doing, and who's going with you. So for a family like us, where we have 3 kids, we included the ages of our kids, so 2, 13, and 15, and what activities we're looking to do. So best part though, if you wanna take it one step further, not only are you gonna be able to get the customizable list, you can actually customize it per each individual. So just add a line item at the bottom, just says make one for each individual. Then print this off, hand it to your teenagers, and they can pack themselves while allowing you to pack stress-free without having to worry about if they're gonna forget something here on their travels. So the second ChatGPT prompt, and this one may not be super unique from a topic perspective, but it's about building the itinerary. However, this one is going to take it a little bit further. So if you remember in the last prompt, we said adding in specifics. So again, with ChatGPT and however you use it, the more specific information you can give it, the more details that you input, the better outputs you're gonna actually get. So in this one, we're gonna wanna make sure that we're gonna add location, time, activities that we like or dislike. Maybe there's a budget. Maybe you wanted to ask for some cost-saving tips. How can I save money but still have a great time doing this? And so you can add specific requirements in that. So the prompt down below in the description is going to allow you to put that in there, get the perfect itinerary, but again, add as much details as possible. So we did this on our recent trip to Bali, and we were blown away with the amount of cool things we were able to do in a short 4-day window. We were able to accomplish almost everything you could do in Bali to get a general sense of it. So we had the thanks to ChatGPT in planning that entire itinerary. So our next ChatGPT travel prompt, and probably one of our most used and or most favorite, is what I guess I'll call the problem solver prompt. So again, down here in the YouTube description, while you are checking that out, make sure you hit that like button if you like this video, hit that red subscribe button for more travel tips and adventures. But if we hop back into this specific prompt, this one, you just customize based on the problem or scenario that you're encountering. So for this example, let's say we're stuck in the ATL, so the Atlanta airport. I've got kids 2, 13, and 15. I don't know what to do to keep them entertained outside of just them scrolling through TikTok, etc. But they're also all gonna be hungry. So putting in some specific requirements or describing your scenario and where you're at and what you're dealing with, this can actually save you a lot of thinking, a lot of stress, and be your instant answer. So no longer relying on Google, having to search through a bunch of requirements there, but ChatGPT and leveraging this prompt can do this. Some other unique scenarios you can do it is, hey, I lost my luggage. How can that help? Hey, what do I do to get an upgrade? Or do they have airport lounges at this particular airport? If so, how much? Give me information on that. If you wanna know more about airport lounges, click that link above here. So there you guys have it, 3 of our favorite ChatGPT travel prompts that we use almost on every single trip that we go on. And so if you like some of this content like this, comment down below AI travel, and we'll be sure to make more AI specific travel content for you and your family. Because here at the Adventure Buddies, we want you to travel more. We want you to travel stress-free, so you can sit back, enjoy all the adventure that life has to offer. So speaking of adventure, I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and remember, life's an adventure. Who you going on it with?